So let us start session. Actual session. Yes, yesterday. Just to introduction given. Yesterday's class 5 p.m. Yes, this is day 1. Yesterday class. This is class. Yesterday's class. About me. Next about course. Yes, what is prerequisite to learn Java? About course contents. This explained yesterday. Okay, just a little bit 5 minutes repeating yesterday's class. Okay, so yesterday's, yes, started like this. Today first day, started like this. Yes, yesterday's about me, about course, next prerequisite to learn Java, next about course contents. These things we discussed. See about me. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, 23 years of experience. I most of the experience this area. Java, Big Data, Hadoop, Python, and Linux. Currently working for this company, Silotech Private Limited. Presently work from home. Yes, 18 projects completed in my whole career. 18 projects completed. 19th project last month when I started. See, my whole career, first 2 projects on embedded C, next 12 projects on Java, get 4 projects on Big Data, Hadoop. They are my projects. Okay. So 19th project, current project on Java. Yes, engineering. Yes, 93 to 97. I think before your birth. Yes, computer science engineering, JNTU, Hyderabad. So 97 started my career with embedded C. 2000 year changed to Java. 2013 started Big Data Hadoop career. Now currently, yes, these 2 platforms I'm going on. Yeah. Okay. So my role currently in projects solution architect. Okay. Solution architect. Yes, it's a key position in the projects. Key role, main role this is. Yes, next to 2013, 2014, I was in SA for Hadoop cluster setups. This is my whole experience. Lot of experience. Okay. In teaching also, I had a very good experience. Teaching also good experience. Okay. Yes, about your course. See about your course. Core Java. Time 5 to 6:30 p.m. IST. 5 to 6:30. Yes, duration 75 days. Number of sessions 68 sessions. Exactly 68 to 70 sessions. Only Sunday holiday. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. 3 demo classes you can attend. Okay. From today to 3 demo classes you can attend. You can see 3 demo classes. Today starting actual topic. Even actual topic it's a demo. You can attend like a demo. Demo is free of cost. You can attend for free of cost. Okay, today I'm starting actual class. Actual topic starting today. Even actual topic also you can attend, no problem. After 3 days you can decide it whether to join or not. See the classes for 3 or 4 days, no issue. Okay. So next daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID just within 1 hour of finishing class. Daily recordings. Within 1 hour of finishing class. By 8 p.m. you can watch that recordings. Okay, 8 p.m. we can watch that recordings. Okay. Next about access here. Yes. 1 year access. 1 year access given for this videos. 1 year validity. 1 year validity for this. Okay, 1 year validity. Yes, next. Any student, yes, unable to continue classes due to some reasons, personal reasons, various reasons. Okay, like maybe college time changes, maybe office time changes, various reasons here. That case you can take break. Okay, that case you can attend next batch also. You can attend next batch and next batch also. Any time, no issue. Okay. See, for guest services, daily recordings, class document, next JDK softwares, JDK 8, 9, 11, 13. This is. So this is about our course Java. Time 5 to 6:30 p.m. IST. Yes, duration 75 days. Number of sessions 868 sessions. Okay. So Monday to Saturday classes. Strictly no holidays. Only Sunday holiday. Every day I'll take the class. Okay. Yes, I'm very active. Every daily I'll take the class. Okay, no holidays. Okay. Yes. Next. Here non-IT guys. Yes, maybe these doubts. What is prerequisite to learn Java? What is prerequisite? Nothing required. Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand my classes easily. Okay. Here, starting with basics, finally taking to high end. Starting with basics, finally taking to high end. Okay. So by the time of finishing course, yes, you can put up by the time of finishing course here. Yes, you will be in a position to put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. That level I can train you. That is from my side. Okay, how to put up the experience, how to face the interview. Next, how to face interview questions here. I'll give all the questions here, interview questions. Okay, here this is prerequisite. About prerequisite, nothing required. Okay, yes, about course contents. About course contents, JDK, Java Development Kits. This whole JDK, totally 4 editions. Totally 4 editions here. Yes. So GTME and FX. No one using this is industry not using these editions. In this area, Java 4. Yes, next this area. Java is very strong. Java is the leader in this area. Java standardization means learning Java technology. Yes, your course is Java standardization. Learning Java technology. Next, Java enterprise means application development. All the frameworks comes from this area. All the frameworks. Okay. Java standardization. Learning Java technology. Of learning Java technology here. Yes. Of learning Java technology here. Next, Java enterprise. Yes, application development. See, 1 second. This is your course. Means core Java. Java standardization means core Java. This is core Java. Just it's a core Java. Core Java. See, of learning core Java, yes, you can go to Java application developer. Yes, Java developer. You can choose Java developer career, or you can choose testing Selenium. Testing Selenium, you can choose it. Testing Selenium. Selenium, you can choose it. Yes, or Salesforce. Nowadays, Salesforce also Java code is there. Okay, next, particularly 1 second. Testing Selenium. Next, Hadoop. Okay, big data Hadoop and big data. This area you can choose. Yes, big data, Hadoop and big data. This area of learning Java, of learning our course. After core Java, you can go to testing Selenium, or you can go to Hadoop and big data. Yes, or else here. Yes, Spark framework. You can go to this one here. Yes, or else Salesforce, or else data science. Nowadays, yes, data science also, yes, using Java. Okay, so this is okay. So this area you can choose any of these things. You can choose after finishing your course Java. Any of this area you can choose. Okay, most of the areas, yes, Java is in. Next, one more here. Yes, recently latest to ServiceNow tool is our market here. ServiceNow, it's a Java based tool. ServiceNow. Yes, ServiceNow. This is also one of the important tool presently. Yes, in market many jobs are there. ServiceNow. After finishing core Java, this much of areas you can choose. Plenty of openings on Java. Java is the leader in the market. Plenty of openings. It's evergreen field. Okay. Yes. So this is yes. Next, enterprise, it's application development. Java transition your syllabus. So yesterday explained one by one, explained clearly yesterday. Today just within 5 minutes I'll finish. Just 5 minutes. See, yesterday whole class explained about this. Just typed. Just I have typed each and every topic typed. So one by one typed. That's the reason taken for whole class. Today just I'm showing here. So what we discussed yesterday, that is I'm showing today. Java's transition, our syllabus. First core part of Java. Core part of Java. First data types. Okay, next operators, control statements, Java language syntax. These things. Like a C programming. This here something looks like a C programming. Okay. Yes. Control statements. Okay. See. 1 second, guys. Even don't have the C knowledge, no problem, no issue. I'll be starting from very basics. Here. Anyone can understand. Even non-IT background guys also can understand it. Yes, non-IT background guys are feeling very happy with my classes. Okay, even IT background guys also, we're feeling very happy with that classes. Yes, see if statement, switch case, file loop, this area. Next, arrays. Arrays something different compared to C language, something different in Java. Totally 100 programs this area will discuss. Core part of Java around 100 programs I'll be explaining. 100 programs. In this area, focus on logic building. How to build our logic. Okay. Yes, improving programming skills. Okay, this week, if this is 4 weeks, I'm focusing. Yes, around 4 weeks, I'm focusing. Okay, 60 programs, explain 40 programs, assignments for you. Daily assignments will be there. Every day, minimum 2 to 3 assignments you have to solve it. Daily assignments. Okay, 100 programs, exactly 100. Even sometimes more than 100 also. Okay, yes, it's very promise. Suppose if not covered, you can question me. 100 programs. Yes, no doubts. So once you perfect about programming, so once you good at programming here, next move into Java oops. Okay. See here, my classes are interactive classes. Every day while developing logic itself, yes, I'll be asking questions. That case you have to answer your question, my answer. Like a friendly classes. My classes like a friendly environment here. You can ask me doubts. Yes, I can answer immediately here. Yes, I'll be asking sometimes questions you have to answer. Like a interactive friendly classes. Okay, every topic very clearly like a spooning, I'll explain. Okay, so this is very, very important. Once you're good at this area, then it becomes easy. Java is nothing. It's very simple. Yes, encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading, static access specifiers, this reference, constructors, concepts overloading, yes, inheritance, some methods, overriding, polymorphism, access specifiers, next access modifiers, abstract classes, interfaces, garbage collection, and packages. So this is the oops area. After finishing oops, yes, here this programming. After finishing programming, next oops. After finishing oops on combination of programming and oops here, then real-time project related work here. Real-time project related. If they are project related topics. In projects, how to use string buffer, these things. Wrapper classes, how to use. Exception handling, how to use in projects here. Next, collection components. Yes, out of all these topics, collections very, very important. Collections. Without collections, no interview. Okay, even you have the 10 years of experience, definitely industry will ask for the collections interview. Definitely every company will take the interview on collections. Okay, yes, lot of experience this area. Okay, since 20 years I'm working on collections, this area. In every project using collections, very good experience. I'll explain very clearly. Next, IST files, file handling. Yes, combination of collections and file handling. We'll discuss on real-time project. Data processing. This area will discuss on real-time projects. Okay, files, various files, text files, CSV files, Excel files, XML, JSON files, PDF files, images, audios, videos, how to process different kind of processes. After that, networking. The networking TCP, one-to-one communication. Next, UDP, one-to-many broadcasting. Yes, one-to-one. Here we'll discuss on chatting app. Chatting application I'll explain very clearly, like a WhatsApp chatting, one-to-one chatting. Okay, a funny application, somewhat like a project. It's like a project, networking project. Okay, yes. Next, after that, multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading, yes, all the version-wise features. 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Yes, all the version-wise features. Next, Java 8, 8 features. Okay, Java 9. Next, Lambda expressions here. Next, Java 11, 13. See here, main focus on 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Last 1 week to 10 days, 8 and 9 features focusing. Okay, next 11 and 13 also. Now, currently, yes, in our company, yes, in our office, we are using Java 9. Java 9 we are using. Current project also. Since last 2 projects, Java 9. Now we are ready with Java 11 and 13 also. Yes, our team is very big team. Okay, more than 170 members are there. Our team, very big team, Java based yes, company. Okay, yes, we are ready with Java 11 and 13 also. Any client is asking, we are ready with that. Okay, yes, I'll be explaining all the versions here. So this is our syllabus. See, this is JDBC also part of SC, but not your syllabus. See, advanced Java. JDBC it will take another 45 days. It's not this JDBC here. Another 45 days required. 45 days. Next, AWT updates outdated. These are not necessary. Outdated, not necessary. Yes, our syllabus. This is up to 23. All these features here. This is our syllabus. So first core part. After finishing core part, next groups. After finishing groups, string handling. Next wrapper classes, exception handling, collections, IO streams. Next working, multi-threading. Next version-wise features. That's all. So this is about syllabus. Okay. Fine. Here, this topic discussed yesterday. So only this topic discussed yesterday. So yesterday, yes, 1.5 hour class. How 1.5 hour? Because every line typed. Yesterday, every line typed. That's the reason taken for 1.5 hours. Okay. So about course, I'm showing once again. Course Java, time 5 to 6:30 p.m. Duration 75 days, exactly 68 sessions, 68 to 70. Only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday. Yes, Monday to Sunday. Yes, even festivals also taken classes. Dasra festival, no holiday. Yeah, Diwali festivals also no holiday. No holidays, only Sunday holiday. Okay. Yes, holiday comes. Suppose any day maybe network failed. If network break is there, only that day holiday comes. Okay. Only network fail, only that case only holiday. Otherwise no holiday. Network failure case next Sunday. That's it. Okay. 3 demo classes you can attend. 3 demo classes. Yes, next daily recordings providing. Okay, daily recording sharing to your Gmail ID just within 1 hour finishing class. 1 second. This day. 1 second. Some guy is open webcam. Yes. Once again, is my skin. No. I think online team. Okay. So here videos access 1 year validity. Okay. Yes. So that's all about your course. Okay. Yes. Now let us start today class. Yes. Now starting actual classes. Yes. Even actual class also you can see for 3 days. No problem. Okay. Yes. Java. Java. Yes. First question. What is Java? Yes. First question. Suppose if you facing some interview here, what is simple question asked? Maybe as a fresher, maybe as experienced, facing some interview. What is Java? Yes, anyone can you answer this? What's your idea on Java? Yes, guys. What's your idea on Java? What is Java? Tell me. Just one word answer. What is Java? Just one word answer or one line answer. Yes, it's an online class. Don't feel shy. Any answer you can ping. Here chat box available. You need not to speak. Hello guys, need not to speak here. Here chat box available, public chat box available. In chat box, just ping your answer. Okay, just ping your answer. Don't feel shy. Even wrong answers, no worry. Okay, right answer, well and good. Wrong answer, I will correct it. Don't worry. The thing is, just be active in the class. Just you answer. Answer to question. That's it here. Never even giving a wrong answer. I will not feel. Don't worry. Okay. What is Java? What is Java? Good, good, good. Responding. Responding well. Good. Okay. Yeah. So what is Java? So many answers. So many answers. Yes, machine understandable language. Some answer. Some answer is a programming language. Good. Some answer object oriented programming language. Next, one more answer. Implementation of dependencies. Something else. What is Java? Simple and very simple answer. Java is an object oriented programming language. OOP language. Simple answer. What is Java means? Yes, Java is a object oriented programming language. That's simple answer. Nothing is very simple. So what is Java means? Java is an OOP language. OOP. Object oriented programming. OOP stands for yes. Objects oriented. Objects. Yes, oriented. Object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. Okay, that's okay, fine. So what is Java means? Simple answer. What is Java means? Java is an OOP language. OOP stands for object oriented programming. Okay, Java software, JDK. JDK software. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Yes, Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Yes, first version of Java, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 is the first version of Java. First version of Java. First version of Java. Yes, released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of Java released in the year 1995. In the year 1995. Yes, 1995. I know very well the Java release. 1995. Yes, I was in engineering second year. Engineering second year. Engineering second year. Yes, 1995. Lot of publicity Java was released. Lot of publicity with these features and all this. Okay. Yes, that time. Yes, I was learning C language. Yes, in our engineering we have the C language. Next, C plus data structures. C language is the data structures is there. Next, OS is there. In second year, C language is there. Third year, data structures. First year, C language and OS concepts. First year, C language and OS. Okay, sorry, not first year, second year. First year, mathematics subject and all this. Second year, C language and OS. Yes, third year, C plus data structures. Okay, yes, I was learning C language. Okay, before Java releasing here, before Java releasing markets, already I'm in software field. My software career started already. See, 1995. So by that time, don't have much software. Don't have much software. Yes, after Java only, all the softwares came to the market here. Before 95, don't have much software. Okay. At the beginning of software itself, my career started. Yes, that is advantage for me. Okay. Yes. See, JDK 1.0, first version of Java. See, first version of Java released. First version of Java released with main features. Released with main features. Main features. Main features as below. As below. Okay. As below. First version of Java. First version of Java released. First version of Java released with main features. One second. One second. Yes, JDK software. This is from Sunsoft. From Sunsoft. This is from the Sunsoft. Sunsoft. Yes, now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Okay. So JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes. First version of Java released with main features as below. First version of Java. Okay. What are the features? Main features. Okay. JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. That history I'll explain now. So why with Oracle Corporation and all this? That history I'll explain now clearly. So first version of Java released with main features as below. Main features. Okay. So first one, yes, independence. Independence of platform. Independent of platform. Independent of platform. Okay. So first one, independent of platform. Java is independent of platform. Yes, Java is a portability. Java is a portable. Java is a portable. Yes, next, Java is a object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language. Okay. Next, Java is a scalable. Scalable. Next, just secure. Scalable and secure. Okay. 1 second, guys. Running notes is not necessary. Don't worry. Okay, running notes is not necessary. Don't worry. I have prepared all this. Well prepared document is there. Every topic prepared. Every topic prepared in the document. See, today topic. Yes, feature. Just I'm giving list of that features. Yeah, this topic not at expense. The beginning topics is not at expense here. I should cover now. Okay. Yes. So every topic in document is there. Okay. You guys don't try to write any running notes. Running notes is not necessary. Okay. Just you follow document. Just you follow document here. In document everything prepared. Okay. Document and my class are the same. Same. Whatever things I'm explaining in the class, same thing is in document here. Even single line are not missing. So you don't worry about notes. Be cool. Don't feel tension. Okay. Don't write any notes. Yes, it's there in document. It very clear. It's there. After finishing class, just simply open the document and you can read the document every day. After finishing class, open document. Same thing you can see in the document here. Okay. Yes, even in class also I walk through the document daily class. So what the topics are covering. After covering topic, yes, I'll explain through the document also. I'll review the document also. After explaining class here, I'll review the document. Okay, every topic I'll review the document here. After class, okay, topic wise I'll review the documents. Okay, yes, right. So these are main features of first version of Java released with main features as below. Independent of platform, portability, groups language, scalability. First version of Java. Okay. Yeah, these features one by one we'll discuss. We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Next, JDK 1.1. Okay, in JDK 1.1, Java divided into 3 editions. Initially only 3 editions. So later that fourth edition later added. Initially only 3 editions. So JDK 1.1, JDK 1.1, Java divided into 3 editions. The 3 editions. Okay. See, yesterday topic. Yes, for totally 4 editions, right? But initially only these 3 editions. Initially only these 3. So initially only these 3 editions here. Initially only these 3 editions. Okay. Yes, these 3 editions initially. Okay. So SE, Java Standardization, Enterprise, Population. Okay. So JDK 1.1. Yes, after that, next JDK 1.2, next 1.3, next 1.4, next 1.5, next 1.6, next 1.7, next 1.8, calling it Java 8. So 1.8, yeah, this is called a Java 8. Java 8 from this onward, Java 8, calling it Java 9. Yes, next Java 11. Yes, next Java 13. Java 10 not released. Java 12 also not released. 11, 13 released. Okay, 16 also there, but internal release, but not officially released. 16. Okay. Yes, all these version-wise features we'll discuss. We'll discuss very clearly. Okay. See, out of all these versions, 1.5. Yes, main important version in Java here. JDK 1.5. This is very, very important version. Yeah, this version. Yeah, this version is called as Tiger version. This version is called as Tiger version. This version is a Tiger version. Yes, many features. In this version, many features were added. Many features. So many features were added. So many features were added. Okay, even fourth edition. So fourth edition effects, effects. So Java effects, Java effects, also added, also added. Okay, also added. So Java effects, yes, Java effects. This is for the visual effects, for the purpose of visual effects. Okay, so JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version. Yes, Tiger version. Yes, released. Yes, released in the year. Released in the year just 2004. Yes, every version of Java I worked. Live experience with Java. Every version, every features. Okay. See, with the dates I can explain the version and features and all that. Okay. So JDK 1.5 this is. Okay. See here. Finally, Java got the success. Java got the success. Java got the success with the JDK 1.5. With JDK 1.5, Java got the success. Finally, yes, Java got the success with JDK 1.5 version here. JDK 1.5 version. With this version, Java got success. Okay. Yes, finally Java got success. Finally, Java got success with JDK 1.5 version. So to become success, how many years it was taken? How many years? JDK 1.5 2004 released. 2004 released. 95, first version 95. So 95 and 2004, almost 10 years. It was taken for 10 years. 10 years, it's not easy. Suppose even you guys also, you are everyone. If any person 10 years working consistently, they will be settled in life. Consistently working here, choosing one field and working for 10 years consistently. Any field, yes, maybe software field, mechanical field, civil field, agriculture field, whatever that field you choose that field here. The seriously work for 10 years, 100% your life will be settled. Okay. Yes, consistency work. Okay, stability work. Okay, stability must be, first of all, stability must be there. Once you have the stability, 100% you get the success. Okay, see, nothing 10 years means first 2 or 3 years learning work. After years with your experience, starting earnings, 3 years enough to get the experience. After getting 3 years of experience, you can start earning simply. Okay, yes. So you get JDK 1.5, so Tiger version. So finally here Java got the success with JDK 1.5 version here. Okay, so finally here Java divided into four editions. So first three editions, these three, yes. Next fourth one Java FX. This is called Java FX. Java FX. Yes. See, so Java mobile application. This is mobile application development. Mobilization for the mobile application development. Mobile apps. Yes, this area Android is the best suitable. Android is a leader. This area Android is a leader, no doubt. Okay. Next, Java effects. This is for visual effects. Visual effects like movies. Visual effects. Movies. Visual effects. Yes, for this purpose. Yes, better software. Premiere software is available here. Premiere software and Maya software is available. This area. Yeah, these are the leaders. Premiere software, Maya software. They are the leaders. Okay, visual effects. For example, Bahubali. Visual effects, graphics, visual effects. They have used Premiere software. Maya software, old one. Premiere is a new one, latest version. Okay. Yes. So this area Java is not fit for this area. Java is okay, we can use, but very poor. Yeah, this area Java is very strong. So Java's transition, yes, the Java's transition that features all that discussed. Okay. Java's transition. Okay, nothing but our syllabus. Okay, let me copy and paste. Unless wasting of time. So this is our syllabus. Java SE. This is SE. This SE. Okay. Next, interpretation. We should discuss what is interface edition. We should discuss about this one here. This is Java interface edition. Yes, the Java interface edition. Java interface edition. This is frameworks. Yes, all the frameworks. Yes, this is application development area. Yeah, this application developments. Yes, application developments. Application. Yes, developments. Application developments. Okay, applications. See, like Facebook is application, WhatsApp application. Okay, Flipkart application. Okay, go to meeting, go to training, Zoom app, all these applications. That area. Application developments. Okay. Yes, here all frameworks. This is frameworks part. It's a frameworks part. Frameworks like Struts framework. Yes, what is frameworks? I will explain. Struts framework. Okay. Next, Spring framework. Okay. Next, yes, Hibernate. Yes, Hibernate framework. Yes. Next, Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework. Yes, these frameworks also are Java based. Spark framework. So there are different frameworks in Java here. Struts framework. Yes, Spring, Hibernate, Hadoop, and Spark. First of all, what is framework? Yes, this is nodes. What's framework? Yes, ready-made one. Framework is ready-made one. Yes, it contains all the predefined classes. Framework code. Yes, all predefined classes. A collection of predefined classes. What is this one? Framework is ready-made one. So using frameworks, we can reduce the coding. We can reduce the codes. Much coding is not necessary. Okay. Before the frameworks, Java project development, it was taken almost for 1.5 years, 2 years. Before frameworks in the market, frameworks trended. Yes, from 2005 onwards, framework trend started. From 2005, Java frameworks. Before that, don't have frameworks. Okay. So before framework came to the market here, everything manually writing codes. Yes, the projects were taken almost more than 1.5 years. But nowadays, within 6 months, we are finishing projects. 6 months. See, one of our project, GST projects. Yes, it was developed in the year 2017. Yes, within 3 months, we have finished it. Within 3 months, including testing. Just 2 months development, 1 month testing. Within 3 months, yes, product developed here, released in the market. Okay. Yes, within 3 months, because of frameworks. Framework is ready-made one. 1 second, I'll tell you one example. Suppose database. Database access. So database coding. Database coding. Yes, around 40 to 50 lines we should write code. Database coding. Yes, including validations, database connection. Okay, like this, like like class loaders, or next to creating connection, next to getting connection, next are fetching data, data processing, all these around 40 to 50 lines required coding here. After framework came to the market here, after framework, here Hibernate framework. Using Hibernate framework, that coding you can avoid. Yes, that 40 to 50 lines coding is not necessary. Without writing code, there is a predefined classes in framework. Yes, in Hibernate framework, predefined class available. Okay, just provide your database details. That's enough. But Hibernate here, just give your database details. Where is your database available? Enough. Automatically that we connect database and fetching data automatically here. So coding not necessary. So using these frameworks here, lot of coding reduced. Lot of coding reduced for easy development of projects within short time finishing projects. Within short time finishing projects. Okay, I'll tell you one example framework for understanding. Better than understanding, I'll tell you one example here. Suppose bridges. Yes, bridges construction. Yes, bridges construction. Nowadays, how they are constructing here. See, very old is bridges construction. First, constructing all the pillars. On top of pillars, laying that bridge, right? Yes, that may be taken for 2 years or 3 years. But nowadays, what is happening here? Simply the pillars they are laying after ready-made blocks available. Simply they are bringing ready-made blocks, assembling. That's it. Within 3 to 4 months, the bridges construction finishing here. See in Hyderabad, many bridges constructed, flyover bridges. Yes, even traffic is there, they are able to construct the flyover bridges within short time because of the ready-made blocks. That's nothing but frameworks. Okay, simply bringing blocks and assembling. So bridge finishing within 3 to 4 months. See last year, COVID. In COVID period, around I think 6 to 8 months, that period completely Hyderabad. Okay, yes, no traffic, nothing. Okay, completely curfew, right? That time what was happened? They utilized that time here. Hyderabad, just within 9 months, constructed around 5 to 6 bridges they have constructed. With the help of this, all that ready-made blocks. Same thing, framework also. Framework also, all predefined classes. Predefined class available. Using that, just take that class and plug into your projects. Taking classes, plug in, and integrate. Yes, building projects. That's it. Within 3 months or 4 months, we can finish nowadays. That is advantage of frameworks. Okay. Yes. Note these frameworks. These frameworks. Yes, almost all internet-based applications were developed. Yes, using these frameworks. Yes, mainly Spring and Hibernate. Spring and Hibernate. Yes, nowadays we have many internet-based applications. See, 95% of internet-based applications were developed using Spring and Hibernate. Internet-based applications, Java is a leader, no doubt. Java is a leader. Okay, very strong Java in that area. Okay. Yes, next here, Hadoop and Spark. These were big data handling. Now, presently, industry facing big data issues like storage and processing. There are many issues with big data. Yes, even that big data issues also solved by the Java. Java given solution to many things. So many kind of issues. Java given solutions to many kind of things. Okay, all yes, internet-based applications, big data applications, even data science applications here, even Salesforce related applications here, even testing applications also. That kind of applications. Most of the applications were developed in Java here. Okay, see here by the year, yes, by the year 2010, by the year 2010, okay, 90% of existing 90% of existing apps were migrated to Java, were migrated to Java. 90% of existing applications by the year 2010, by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. Yes, existing apps means very old applications, Visual Basic applications, Microsoft Visual Basic applications. Next, VC++ applications, applications. Next, .NET applications, .NET apps. Okay. Next, C language applications, some applications C++, some applications SAP, some applications Oracle ERP. Like there are different apps in the market. Oracle ERP. Okay, SAP ERP and Oracle ERP applications. They are existing applications. Okay, by the year 2010, these existing 90% of these existing applications migrated Java. There are various reasons. See reasons here. See, these are Visual Basic, VC++, .NET. These are Microsoft products. Yes, if it is Microsoft product, it's a Windows based. Microsoft products are Windows based. They will not work on Linux or Unix application. But Windows based application, Windows is not safe. Windows is not safe to use. Okay. So Windows frequently hacking data. Next, Windows frequently virus infecting. Windows is not safe to use. Okay. Linux is secure. Linux is secure. Yes, by the year 2010, Linux came to the market, very strong in the market, Linux and Unix operations. Now Linux is leading market. Linux way is leading because of security. With Linux OS, there is no chance of virus. Linux is a virus-free operating system. There is no chance of hacking data. Never, no chance. Okay. So because of that reason here, yes, here these are only Windows-based applications. These will not work on other operating systems. So the Microsoft products are only Windows-based. So these will not work on other operating systems. So that's the reason these applications, these applications were migrated to Java. Java is independent platform. Java application working anywhere, anytime we can change OS. Maybe yes, suppose initially started with Windows OS, later changing to Linux OS or Unix OS or Solaris. Depends on requirements, we can change the OS. That's the main reason. Yes, Java is independent platform. Because of that reason here, these applications were migrated to Java. Okay. Next, C and C++, what's the drawback? C and C++ here don't have GA concepts. Here GA don't have. GA means like forms. This is graphical interface. Like forms. So like forms, this kind of form development here. Forms. Okay. Get GA like buttons. Okay, check boxes, radio buttons, and a drop down is that kind of things. C and C++ don't have GA. There's a drawback with C and C++. So that's the reason some application from C and C++ to get Java migrated. Okay. Yes, C and C++ only fit for embedded device drivers area. Not user friendly applications. That is different case. Okay. Yes. Next, SAP, Oracle ERP, they are costly. The ERPs are costly in maintenance. So because of that reason, Java is a free of cost. It's a freeware. No maintenance, nothing here. So that clients can save a lot of amounts. So for that reason also, these applications also convert in Java. See, one of my projects, SAP projects, convert into Java. SAP, yet that for that client, they are paying 2 crore of rupees per annum for maintenance. Yes, after converting to Java, yes, that client is very happy with that. So without any payments, so without any licensing care, free of cost using Java. Okay, he's feeling very happy with that. Okay, so like that here, see here, these are costly. Okay, next these are OS independent. These are not much user friendly. GA support is not like these various reasons. And with various reasons here, yes, by the year 2010, yes, most of the existing applications were migrated to Java because of Java features, independent of platform, portability. Next, lot of concepts supporting in Java. Okay, any kind of things you can solve in Java. That's a capacity of Java. Any kind of things, even big data. Yes, recently industry facing big data. Even for big data, also Java is a solution. Java given solution to everything here. Okay, so that's the reason Java got the popularity here. Now currently, so one second. Yes, people in the year 2010, Java. Yes, near 2010, sons of that company, sons of company taken over, by the Oracle, taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Yes, even taken over the Oracle Corporation, it's a free of cost in Java. Sons of taken over by the Oracle Corporation by the year 2010. Yes, after taken by the Oracle Corporation, Java has become very strong in the market. Very strong. Now Java is the leader. Java is the leader. See 80% of yes current applications. 80% of current applications, current apps. Okay, developed in Java. Developed, developed in Java. So 80% of current applications. See, in our daily life, we are using many applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, GoToMeeting, GoToTraining, Flipkart, Amazon online services, food delivery apps like this. Yes, 80% of all these online applications, most of the online applications were developed in Java. Not only online applications here, even big data applications. Big data is not an online application. Okay, big data at the server side, in data center, big data applications work. Big data is not internet-based applications. Big data work in the data center to solve big data issues. Even that big data also, yes, Java. So 80% of applications were developed in Java, means lakhs of applications, yes, lakhs of apps developed in Java, Okay, yes, lakhs of apps supports. Now support resources. Yes, how many resources required here? Suppose applications are in lakhs, the resources are in millions. 1 lakh equal to 10 millions. Okay, so lakhs of applications in Java. Okay, lakhs of support case required. Millions of support cases. See web applications like websites. Yes, every company websites, almost all the websites develop in Java. Java, HTML, JSP, that combination websites. Okay, every company website maintaining rates. How many companies are there? Lakhs of companies across the worldwide. Companies, schools, colleges. Okay, how many are there? Internet based. Many things, right? All are using Java only here. Okay, websites, online shopping applications. Okay, next online applications here. Many applications. Okay, yes, payment gateways. Yes, many all these applications. See, just you think about it. You think about it. How many applications are using market here? Lakhs of applications. That all that applications were developed in Java here. Lakhs of applications. To support lakhs of applications here, yes, millions of resources required here. Support case. See, existing Java projects. So to support existing Java projects, yes, we need millions of Java resources. Millions of Java resources required here. Okay, that's the reason Java has become evergreen field. Evergreen field. Next, one more thing here. Maybe somebody may be thinking Java. Suppose if I choosing Java career, how many years I can survive in the Java field? That's a question. Maybe 100% question here. See, Java, yes, lakhs of applications developed in Java. Suppose suddenly any new technology came to the market. Okay, yes, that new technology. So what are that new technology getting here? Suppose any new technology releasing market. Okay, new technology releasing market here. That new technology must have the features more than the Java. First point, more than the Java. Suppose having features more than Java, yes, having features more than the Java, even having features more than Java, that must be all free of cost. Yes, free of cost, providing free of cost is not easy. Providing free of cost is not easy. Okay, that software should be free of cost. Okay, suppose new technology coming with Java, more than Java features and free of cost. Okay, more than, suppose everything is more than Java, even everything is more than Java here. That existing clients means millions of applications. Okay, overnight will not migrate to new technology. It's not overnight work. Yes, that client, yes, has to face lot of risk. Yes, many clients, the clients will think about migration here. Suppose if they wanted to migrate here, if they are getting more benefits than Java, then they will migrate to new technology. Okay, if they are getting more benefits more than the Java, then they will move to new technology, right? Java already free of cost. Yes, their business smoothly going on. Why they will think here? Never thinking. So clients never thinking moving to new technology, because when you moving new technology here, they have to face lot of risk. Again, expenditure, development expenditure, migration issues. There are a lot of issues there. No client will dare to move into new technology. Okay, so for next to 20-25 years, no doubt about Java. Yes, your complete career. See, already one generation survived on Java. See, my career started in 2000 year. Yes, my generation over almost 2000 year. Java career started. Yes, my career 1997. Java started Java 2000 year. 20 years journey with Java. Almost one generation over. Next, your generation. Yes, your generation also can survive in Java. Yes, you can choose Java career now. Next 20-25 years, no doubt. 100%. Yes, future coming, data science. Data science also Java is there. In data future, next coming, artificial intelligence, and future coming is AI. AI and data science. That area is also Java giving solution. Future coming also Java given solution here. Okay, so we can depend on Java here. You can choose Java career, evergreen fields, lifelong. You can choose this. Even payments are high payments. Only problem with Java coding. Yes, after frameworks came to the market here, coding are sort of thing reduced. Yes, in coding us, don't worry, I'll make you perfect. I'm here to make you perfect. Okay, so this is about Java. Okay, yes, now here, yes, 2010, yes, it's taken by the Sunsoft. Yes, after taken by Sunsoft, now Java has become a leader in the market. Now Java is a leader in the market, no doubt. Java is leader. Okay, yes. So this is complete history about Java. From beginning to today, what's happening in the market here? Yes, with Java, what's happening market very clearly explains. Yes, all this my experience. Yes, I have seen this, my live experience here. Okay. Yes, I have seen all this. What was happening in Java. Okay, so this is a complete story of Java. Okay. Yes, now here in Java, let us start with Java features. This is complete overview. That's okay, fine. Now this is this topic. Yes, you guys, are you understanding class clearly? Yes, this way of explanation. Yes, guys. Hello. Yes, you understanding or not? Are you able to follow me? Yes, guys. Are you feeling any fast? Are you feeling any fast? Is it okay? So this is okay. So this base is okay, I think. Okay. Yeah. So this is history. So next year, features. First version of Java. First version of Java released with main features as below. First one, independent platform. Next, portability. Next, object-oriented programming language. Scalability. Next, security. These are the features of Java. Okay, let's start with these features here. Yes, it's actual class. Even actual class also, you can listen free of cost, no worry. Just take your own time to decide. I'm not a commercial. You can see classes. Okay, yes. So independent platform means OS. Okay, platform means OS. Okay, yes, here independent platform, portability, groups language. To understand all these features here, first of all, some basics knowledge. Yes, about OS knowledge. Yes, what is OS? How OS is working? Yes, about operating system. Yes, how this operating system is working. Yes, operating internally, how operating system working here. Suppose Java program is running. What is behavior of OS? C program running. What is behavior? That knowledge. Yes, OS. That OS knowledge. Next, yes, about exe file knowledge. See, exe file is a OS dependent, but Java program is independent of platform concepts. If you know the exe file, what is exe file? Why exe file is OS dependent? If you have that knowledge, then easy to understand this independent of platform. OS knowledge, exe file knowledge. Next, dot class. Yes, dot class files. Java dot class files. The dot class files knowledge. Next, about interpreter knowledge. Interpreter, how interpreter is working. Yes, Java based on what? Is it interpreter or compiler? That concept step. Yes, interpreter knowledge. Next, compiler. Next, compiler. Okay. Yes, if you have this knowledge here, then easy to understand these features. Okay, if you have these concepts here, then easy to understand this. See, I can explain directly. Independent of platform, simply I can give the definitions. I can give the definitions. Then I can go to Java programming. Just giving definitions. After definitions, I can go to Java programming simply here. No, but that is not my way here. Independent of platform. Not only giving definition. How Java made us independent of platform. That internals, the JVM internals. How JVM working internally. Okay, how OS is working internally. Those concepts. Yes, you must have that clear idea. Every knowledge. So maximum, I'll try to give a lot of information on every topic. Lot of information. You'll see. Okay. Yes. So first, so before going to these features here, first let us see about these concepts. These concepts. Once these concepts clear, then easy to understand this. Okay. Yes. For this purpose, yeah. I'm starting with basics now. Starting with basics. Starting with basics. Yes, non-IT guys. Don't worry. Non-IT guys, you can feel happy with my classes. See that. Yes, starting with basics. Suppose even who are already in IT field also, they don't have about this knowledge. Yes, certain fundamentals are there. Software fundamentals, unknown facts. Yes, even having 10 years of experience software field, even they don't have this knowledge. That kind of fundamentals also I'll touch. Starting with basics. See, surprising thing, wonder thing here, yes, wondering here. See, computer where? See, from that time starting. From the time what is computer where? From that much of basics starting. Okay, computer where basically two categories. Yes, hardware. Second one, software. Hardware, next software. Hardware, software. Hardware and software. Okay. See, from the scratch starting topics. So once you are in software field, you must have every knowledge. That's the reason from the scratch starting here. Hardware. Hardware, these are what? Physical components of a computer. Physical components like hard disk, RAM memory, next keyboard, mouse, all the hardware components. These hardware components we can touch. We can touch. But that is not our parts. We are the software, right? We are the software engineers. So let us start with software. Okay, software. Okay, so hardware, these are the physical components we can touch, but not necessary for us. Let us start with software. Software. What is software? In software, what is software means? Yes. What's your answer? How can you answer this? What is software means? Programs. Software, nothing but program. Okay. In software, everything is a program. Yes, everything. Everything is a program. Everything is a program. Everything is a program. Okay. Yes, it's a collection of programs. It's a collection. Yes, it's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. Okay. It's a collection of programs. Okay. See, software basically two categories. Two categories. Software basically two categories. Software basically two categories. Basically two categories. First one, system software. System software. First one, system software. System software. First one, system software. System software. Yes. Second one, application software. Application software. Okay, application software. Java comes on application software. Yes, system software. What is system software? What is a system software? System software. Yes, 1 second. Let me have some water. What is the system software? Yes, it interacts. It interacts with hardware components. System software interacts with hardware components. Interacts with hardware components. Okay, interacts with hardware components. Hardware components. Example OS. Yes, OS, operating systems. Yes, operating systems comes on a system software. Operating systems. Yes, OS interacting with the hardware. OS interacting with the hardware. OS interacts with the hardware here. Operating systems like Windows, Linux-based Unix. All these comes on system software. Next, application software. So what is application software? Application software. Yeah, this is for the purpose of application development. For the purpose of applications, apps. For the purpose of apps development, application development. Okay, apps. See, in our daily life, we are using many applications. In our daily life, we are using many applications. Can you tell me some examples, you guys? What are the applications you using daily? Already you are using now application. An application already we are using now. Tell me what kind of applications you using in our daily life? Tell me. In our day-to-day life, we are using many applications. Can you tell me some examples? Yes, what are the applications you are using in your daily life? Yes. No answer. What's happening? What are the applications in our daily life we are using there? Simple, best application, best daily using application. Yes, Facebook. Yeah, good response. Yes, many guys responding good. Okay. Yes, WhatsApp, Facebook, Zoom app. Okay, Paytm, Instagram. Okay, next. Yes, Twitter, Facebook, okay, Twitter, WhatsApp, yes, WhatsApp, okay, yes, Flipkart, okay, yes, Zoom app, okay, go to training, go to meeting, okay, yes, Google Pay, yes, GPay, Google Pay, okay, yes, Phone Pay, yes, all this banking applications, banking apps like this, many applications. Yes, these are applications. How to develop? Yes, go to training, go to meeting, your college websites, companies websites, all these applications. Yes, how to develop this? To develop all these kind of applications, we need some softwares. Those are called application softwares. We are developing this kind of applications. Okay, those are called as application softwares. Application softwares for the purpose of application development. This kind of applications. Okay. Yes. Best example. Application software best mostly used application software Java. No doubt Java is a leader. Java is a mostly used application software. Java. Next, Hadoop is also application software. Databases, application softwares. Okay, C language. Yes, C language, C++, Python, Python. Yes, SAP. Like this, many things are there. See, in market in software field, we have the hundreds of technologies, more than 100 technologies available. More than 100 technologies. Then which is application software? Which is system software? See, here we have some languages. There are some languages. There are some tools. There are some packages. Various kind of things. Okay, languages like C language, C++, Python, Java, HTML, next Perl scripting, Python scripting, shell scripting, various languages. All these languages and next tools like testing tools. Okay, Selenium and QTP and Jira like this. Next warehousing tools. Next big data tools, Hadoop tools, okay, Hadoop related tools. The reporting tools like ClickView, Tableau. Next DevOps tools like various tools available. Next packages like SAP ERP, Oracle ERP, next Tally ERP, so many packages, right? Yes, all these application softwares. See, simple here. Application software means application software never interacting with hardware directly. So never interacting. Okay, only voice interacts with the hardware. Only voice interacting with the hardware here. So except operating systems, except operating systems. Yes, all are application softwares. All are application softwares. All are application of simple services. All are application software. Okay, all are application softwares. Okay, see documents. This is yes, started. Yes, in document every topic very clearly explained. You guys don't worry about notes here. Just to follow these documents here. Start with software. Software is a collection of programs. Software basically two categories. System software, application software. System software, interacting with the hardware components. Application software, for the purpose of application development. Examples. See, except OS. See, OS comes on the system software. OS and device drivers. Of course, device drivers are a part of OS. Device drivers inside the OS only here. Okay, so except OS. Except OS, all are application softwares. Except operating systems, all are application softwares. Okay, yes. That same points explain documents here. Except OS, all are application softwares. Okay, all are application softwares. Okay, yes. See, Java comes under what? Java is a application software. Java is application software. Yes, before going to this application software, yes, we'll see something about OS. That this knowledge required to understand Java features. About OS. So what is OS? Here's some question for you guys. Some question. Simple question. I'm asking very simple question. Simple question. Yes. Can we run any program without OS? So this is a question. Answer. Can we run any program without OS? Yes, anyone can answer this. It's very simple question. Very basic question in the software field. Very basic question. Can we run any program without OS? Can we run any program without OS? Answer is yes. Come on, guys. Please respond. Please respond. Okay. So can we run any program without voice? Answer is no. No. Compulsory voice requires. Then what is operating system? So what is operating system? Question is what is voice? What is voice? Let us see about voice here. Suppose your laptop. For example, you purchased a laptop. Your laptop. Okay. Yes, your laptop. So hardware. Your laptop first hardware. You see, when you purchase laptop here, that laptop vendor will set up one OS. Laptop hardware, sorry, laptop vendor will set up OS, and you as right, you will set up as OS. That laptop vendor will set up the OS. Okay, operating system. They will set up OS hundreds, then they will use right. So once OS setup is done, your system is ready. Once OS setup is done, system is ready. So this is my laptop with OS, right? So once OS setup is done, OS is ready, system is ready, your computer is ready here. Now this OS is responsible to run any request here. For any request, OS will respond. OS is responsible to run every request here. Okay. Suppose, for example, learning C language. So for learning C language, for this purpose, you have to install C software, where on top of OS. Suppose learning C++, that should be installed top of OS. Suppose learning Java on top of OS. This also. Suppose learning Hadoop. Suppose using database, using some database. So learning Python. Yes, all these things. Yes, installing on top of OS here. Okay, all these are what application software, right? The application software. Yes, application software. Okay, these all are running top of OS. On top of OS. C program, C++, Java, all of the programs running on top of OS. On top of OS. That means it's giving platform. OS giving platform. OS giving platform to run all the programs. So OS is acting like a platform. It's acting like a platform. So OS, what is OS? It's a platform. Okay. So OS is a platform. Yes, on top of which all the programs running. So what is OS? Simple answer. Yes, it is a platform. It's a platform. It's a platform. Okay, where? Yes, it's a platform. 1 second. It's a platform. Okay, it is a platform on top of which all the programs running. Yes, a platform. Yes, where we can run all the application software, all the application software. Yes, a platform. Yes, on top of which we can run all the application software. All the application software. Okay. Just it's a acting like a platform. Java is independent of platform means independent of OS. Get the topic we'll discuss next. Wait. Okay. Yes. So what is OS? Means it's a platform where we can run all the application software. Okay. Not only platform here, not only platform. So but these programs generating some output. So first of all, that output simply transferred to OS. All the programs output delivered to operating system. After delivering, next transfer to output device. Transfer to output device. Suppose input keyboard data, reading from the keyboard. First keyboard data goes to OS. Keyboard data goes to OS here. From the OS, the data transfer to these programs. Maybe Java program reading from the keyboard, C program reading from the keyboard, or Python. So all the programs reading from the keyboard. So keyboard data goes to OS to these programs. Suppose output. First of all, delivered to OS to output device. So there is no direct interaction between application software and hardware. Between that compulsory OS mediator. Means interface. It's an interface. So is it's an interface. It's an interface. It's an interface. Yes, between between yes. It's an interface between this application software and this hardware edge. Application software layer and hardware layer. Hardware components. Hardware components. That's it. This is what is OSP simple answer. Now here one important point for Java prospect. In Java prospect, some important points. Library. In OS they say library. Every OS it has its own library. If that OS library, it's a collection of functions. Library is a collection of input-output functions. Library contains all input-output functions to perform IO operations. Input-output functions. It's a collection of input-output functions. Yes, OS developed in C language. Operating systems developed in C language. Unix in C language. Linux C language. Windows C language. All the C language functions. Library contains all the functions here. Okay, so library. So every OS has its own library, has its own library. Every OS has its own library here. One library. Yes, to communicate. Yes, between application software, hardware components. Okay, so OS using library to communicate between application software and hardware. Okay, see one important point here. Suppose C program or Java program running. So before going to run all the programs here, every program, first of all, it has to link with OS library. After linking with OS library, then communicates with the hardware. Every program has to link. Maybe C program or Java program or Python scripting. Every program has to link with OS library. Once linked here, then execution starts. That link may be statically linking or dynamically linking. Suppose C and C++ statically linking. Java and Python dynamically linking. That concept we'll discuss next. I'll explain very clearly. Practically I'll show. C and C++ exe files statically linking. I'll create one exe file. How that OS level linking to exe file. Next, I'll create one Java program. Okay, how that library linking to Java program. Next, Python. Yes, I'll develop one Python script here. I'll show how that linking. That linking we'll discuss very clearly. Next, tomorrow topic, that linking topic. Okay, yes. So here, every program has to link with OS library. Every program has to link with OS library. Yes, before going to start execution. So every program has to link with OS library before going to start execution. Yes, remember this fourth point. Fourth point is very, very important for the Java. To understand Java, it's independent of platform and portability. To understand these features here, these 2 points are very, very important for us. That linking with OS library. Okay, so this is about OS. Yeah, this is enough. How OS is working internally. This knowledge enough for Java. Okay. Yes. Next here, let us go to documents. See, system software, application software. System software about OS explained very clearly. See all that 4 points prepared here. Points are there. See hardware, on top of it OS, on top of it application software. Okay, so these points already mentioned document, very clearly prepared. Just to follow documents. Application software. Java is a application software. So moving to application software. Okay, application software in this front end, back end. Yes, front end, language and packages. Next, language, low level language, high level language. Yes, to convert from high level language to low level language, binary code, system understanding language, some interpreters and compilers required. Okay, so what is interpreter? What is compiler? So next, Java depends on what? Is it compiler or interpreter based? How Java is working? Yes, Java, how Java is working, how Java program is working here, how Java applications are working here. Yes, what is compilation process in Java? So what is execution process? Is it interpreter based or compile based? These concepts. Okay, application software. Java is a application software. So these topics tomorrow we'll discuss. Today just introduction given. Okay, about Java history expense, Java history expense, and software introduction given. Tomorrow we'll start the Java. Yes, how interpreters working. Very interesting topic. This is how interpreter working, how compiler working. Not Java. Yes, in Java, how compilers are working in Java, how interpreters. Java depends on what? Actually, Java depends on both compiler as well interpreter. How that concepts. Okay, after finishing, yes, features. Independent platform starts. So tomorrow we'll discuss about how Java is working, how Java made us independent platform. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Yes, enough. This introduction is enough for today. Okay, so day one, day two. Day one, this is yes, I'll share this day one document. Yes, next day two. Day two. This is day two. Day one, day two. One second. Day two. This is up to ways we have discussed. Yes, I'll share these things. No worry. See here, this is in document very clearly mentioned here. This is from this onwards, it's there in document. So don't worry about class notes. Okay, this document for you only. Okay. Yes. Any doubts, case? Yes, that right. Yes. I think no doubts. That's all for today. Yes, you can learn full stack Java. Yes, after finishing core Java, I'll be continue for the advanced Java. Then after frameworks, you can learn full stack. No issue. Okay. Very clearly explaining completely. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Tomorrow also same link. Till Saturday, same link. Yes, same link, same time. So thank you guys. Tomorrow. Yes. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.